Hello beauties and gents, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So if you are new to my channel, you don't know me, my name is Mehzabin Pinky and I live in Australia. So in today's video, for the first time, I am doing my March favorites, and we are into April now, but few of the things I got I wanted to share with you guys. So I thought, okay, I will show it in my favorites video. So this is the first time I am doing my favorites video. So yeah, let's begin. So the first product is this Lacunae Naturals Premium Anti-Aging Day Cream, and this one has licorice extract and silk protein with hyaluronic acid. So this moisturizer I am using since March, and I got this moisturizer from LD store, and LD is a supermarket here. They sell nearly everything there. So this brand is from LD, so they only sell Lacunae products here in Australia. So this is how it looks like, and I got this, I think it was $12 Australian. Yes, it was $12 Australian. I literally love Lacunae products from LD, and this is a premium anti-aging day cream. It's applied to cleanse skin and gently smooth onto skin until completely absorbed, suitable for use under makeup. So one of the ingredients which attracted me is this skin protein. So I only got day cream from this collection, so they also have night cream. So I will be getting their night cream too, because this product is quite amazing, and I always use this product under my makeup. So when I use this product, I don't use any primer under my makeup. I love it so much. So this anti-aging is a non-greasy, light moisturizing day cream for women over the age of 30 years, and its unique blend of naturally delivered traditional and modern active ingredients soothes and moisturizes the skin and helps protect against environmental influences, and it contains highly effective hyaluronic acid, which is naturally produced by the body. It works by plumping the skin. So the most important part of this cream, which I loved about, is it plumps the skin, like it plumps the skin for the whole day. And Lacunae products are only sold by LD supermarket, and it's like this. The smell is so nice. The second product which I love is this from the same brand, Lacunae Naturals Premium Anti-Aging Serum. I am loving it, but I have just started this 2 weeks ago, I think. Just in the end of March I started to use this, and this has ginger extract, and this is 30 ml, and this product claims its unique blend of ingredients soothes and moisturizes the skin and helps protect against environmental influences, same as that one. It contains highly effective hyaluronic acid, which is naturally produced by the body. It works by plumping the skin, increasing skin elasticity, and helps minimize the appearance of fine lines and deep wrinkles. So this is quite an amazing product. So I normally use this product at night time, just after cleansing my face and doing all my nighttime routine, and then I use this serum on my face and it dries quickly. This is a 30 ml bottle which looks like this. It's a very cute bottle and it comes the pump like this. It smells so good, and I think this was around $12 too, and I don't know, but I think this product just came in LD stores. I am not sure, but since there are few of LD around where I live, so I went there once, then I saw these products, and you know, whenever I go to shops I always read the ingredients before buying any moisturizers or any product for my face, so especially for moisturizers and serums. So this is quite a nice range of products, and this day cream is literally so good, and I think this will be my favorites for the whole year. I will be using, I don't know if I get a chance to get anything else, but I will be using this, and it has 50 ml for this day cream and 30 ml for this one. It's quite a lot of products. So these were two of my favorites. So the third product is this Client's Extra Firming Day Wrinkle Lifting Cream. This cream is for all skin types, and this product I got in my last month's I guess last month's Bella box, and I am in love with this product. It's so good. So sometimes I use this at night and sometimes I use this serum at night. So I love this one. This is an amazing product, and I guess this one is quite an expensive product. I don't know what's the price for this now, but I think it's around 99 to 100 Australian dollars, and you can get it from David Jones or Maya, I think. So apply every morning to face and neck, allergy tested. So this product is to be used in daytime, but I am using this sometimes at night. I don't know, but I like using at night this one just because I am using this Lacunae day cream for daytime. So I sometimes use this for night time, and this claims to be used in daytime, but who cares, I love using anytime. So this is an extra firming day cream. It's very moisturizing, and it's after applying you feel your face will look so smooth, and I just love this one. So the fourth product is this Frasali Unicorn Essence Skin Enhancing Antioxidant Serum. So this product, it looks like this. So this innovative solution acts as a dual purpose serum which infuses the skin with beneficial skin care while preparing it for layering, moisturizer or makeup application. It contains 4 superfruit extracts, so rich in antioxidants and packed with vitamin C, which helps make the skin appear visibly younger and healthy looking. So I always use this product to prime my face before applying makeup. So this makes my makeup last for whole day, and I just love this product. This is quite an expensive one too, and it looks like this. It is 30 ml, and I just bought this one from Glamrider.com. I think I showed you guys in one of my haul video, and I just love this one. I don't know how much is left there just because I am using it. I am using it so much, and the smell is so good. I just love this product, and I think this one is in between 70 to 80 Australian dollars, and I am in love with this. It's just an amazing product. I always use this, and this makes my makeup look very flawless, and it also makes my makeup last for whole day. So I first apply this Lacunae day cream, and then after a while then I apply this one. The combination of these two products is great. So if you are living in Australia and you want to check this day cream out, you can go to LD stores to get this one. And this one, Frasali Unicorn Essence Serum, is available at Glamrider, I guess. I don't know, but Glamrider, or you can just search in Google where you can get it from. I always buy from Glamrider. And the fifth product is this LA Girl Pro Coverage HD Definition Long Wear Illuminating Foundation. So this foundation is by LA Girl, and this is a good foundation for everyday use, and this is my go-to foundation, and I love using this foundation for every day, and I just love it. This one is in, I guess this one is in shade 10, and 10 is the shade I love using. So I love this foundation by LA Girl, and I bought this from Glamrider too. So the next product is this OXX foundation natural finish, and I tell you guys, this product is quite amazing. I got this one from Kmart, and this foundation claims to be a natural finish foundation. So this foundation is honey beige, and it's quite light for my skin. So I always mix this LA Girl Pro Coverage 10 foundation with this OXX cosmetic, and this one is an amazing, literally beautiful foundation, and it's so affordable. And I guess this one was under $10. I got from Kmart, and I love it so much for everyday use, and I will continue to use these types of foundation, and I love to try more of OXX products. So the next product is this Sun Shimmer Maxi Bronzer by Rimmel London. I don't know why I'm smelling this, but this bronzer is literally so beautiful, and I wear this bronzer every day. Whenever I go somewhere, whenever I'm wearing makeup, I wear this bronzer, and I am using this bronzer since I got this bronzer from Oz sale. I guess I got from Oz sale, and I love it so much. It's literally so gorgeous. I am wearing it right now too. I love it. I just love it. And so the next product is this liquid lipstick by OXX, and this liquid lipstick I only got for $2, and I got this one from Kmart, and I just love this shade of this liquid lipstick. Is Turin, Turin, and I just love this shade. It just cost me $2, and so beautiful. I was wearing this liquid lipstick in my Get to Know Me tag video. If you guys haven't seen, I will link it up here, so you guys can go and check it out. And yeah, it's so beautiful. It's amazing, and the applicator is so precise. It's just so gorgeous. And I got few of these liquid lipsticks from this collection. I got, I think, 5 of these, and I will make a swatches video later sometimes. So I just love it, love it. It's so gorgeous and it's very affordable from Kmart. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video with your friends and families. And if you wish to see my future uploads, then do subscribe and hit that bell notification so you'll get notified each time I upload a new video. And until next time, bye.